Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the WHLICKS store. They're foldable walker for seniors. This is how it was shipped. These are all individual components. We're going to show you the assembly, but it's very simple. Comes with a simple tool right there, a little hex wrench, and an instruction booklet, which is nice. Now this is all aluminum and very lightweight, and has wheels in the front and rubberized legs in the back. And what's really unique is that it does fold. And I've never seen one like this that supports up to 350 pounds. So these are the two main components there. It's got the wheels sections and some center pieces right there that tool is for. And the instructions have some pictograms showing you how to actually do it. Now this actually gets excellent customer ratings. And there is a 3-year mainframe warranty and free replacement accessories within 1 year from the manufacturer. When this is assembled, it only weighs 6.6 pounds for effortless handling. So what's nice about something like this is it adds stability to you, whether you have a disability and you can't walk easily, or you have a cast on. This will allow you to temporarily use something like this while you're healing. And the materials in here, they're 1.2 millimeter thick aluminum, and that's how it's supporting the 350 pounds. That is a pretty thick aluminum section on there. This is adjustable width from 22.4 to 26.4 inches. Allow you to go through narrow doorways, hallways, and bathrooms. And the height itself is adjustable from 30.3 to 37.4 inches to suit users of different heights. So some people are taller or shorter. You'll be able to adapt it to different people. It's got a comfort handle on here. I noticed it's got a rubberized handle right on the top, which is nice, so that your hand won't get fatigued when you're walking with it. And again, with that great warranty, and there is a phone number right in the instruction manual to contact them for any kind of support issues, and that's always great to see from a company. So we're going to put this together and give it a try. So the first step is I put the mainframe A and B together, and you can then lock it by pushing this in. And you push this button right here, and that allows you to open and close it to the various locking points. You can hear it locking in, then just go like that, and it keeps it secure. Next step is to put the front wheels. You can see that they're lined with the actual handles right here, and they only go in one way. And take a look at the diagram, because you see how they're extending out in each respective side. And there is a little loop, a little pin right there that snaps into place when you put it correctly in place. Next, you put on the rear legs, and they only go on one way, and they snap into place with one of those little ball spring-loaded pieces right there. The final step is to install the two sidebars like this, and you can see that they have a shape purposely in there, and there's holes on each side, so they essentially go like this with a drop down towards the base. And it comes with two long screws, as you can see. They have hex heads on there, and you include a tool. So you want to tighten those down. It's going to pull these two aluminum pieces inward as it tightens it. And there's what it looks like when it's tightened and it pulls both pieces in, and you can see it's facing down. It locks it in place and strengthens it considerably. And here it is all assembled. So here's a top view. I just wanted to demonstrate. Here's where the handles are where you hold it. And it's really nice because they got these oversized large black handles that you pull up, and then it allows this to collapse. I'm hitting my tripod there. And for storage, so that this becomes flat and totally easy to store anywhere in your house. Really nice. Here I wanted to show the nice quality wheels. They are oversized and they have bushings in them so that they would roll really nicely. And anytime you want to adjust the height, you just essentially push in that little ball right here. You could take this piece, push this, and that allows you to adjust the height, and then you can click it to various heights that you want for everybody's individual needs. And these heights are numbered, so that if you have it set for somebody, you can remember the number, and somebody else will have a different number. So I feel really stable with this, with the wheels, and anytime I want to stop, I just stop, and it stops moving because of the rubber pieces in the back. And you can feel how solid this is. I can lift my full weight on here and feel very safe with it. So after assembling and testing, what do I think about the WHLICKS store? They're foldable walker for seniors. I love this product. 350-pound capacity, all aluminum. Went together really easy, and it's very stable. I feel comfortable even putting my full weight on it as I demonstrated. I love the fact that it collapses, folds for easy storage, and has all the adjustments you're going to need for height. I'm a tall person, and I'm on number 5, and it's perfect for me. And then you can shorten it down for shorter people, and the width can be totally adjusted so that you can fit into smaller door frames and door widths. So really, they thought everything out, and I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.